If Claude is down, broken, or showing an error, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix Claude when it seems unavailable, unresponsive, or keeps throwing connection errors. We'll start with the most important check first, then move through the simple fixes that solve the problem most of the time. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing you should do is check whether Claude is actually having a service outage. Open your browser and go to the Claude status page at claude.status.com. This is where you can see if there's a known incident, server slowdown, or a full outage affecting users. If the status page shows a problem, then the issue is not on your device, and the best thing to do is wait for Anthropic to resolve it. You can also refresh the status page a few times to confirm whether the incident is still active. If the statuses page looks normal, the next fix is to clear your browser data for Claude.ai. Over time, cookies and cached files can become corrupted and cause strange login issues, loading problems, or error messages. To do this, open your browser settings, find your site data or privacy section, and remove cookies and cached images for Claude.ai specifically. After clearing that data, close the browser completely and reopen Claude in a fresh tab. Then sign in again and test whether the error is gone. If Claude still isn't working, try opening it in private mode. Use an Incognito window in Chrome or Edge, or a private browsing window in Firefox or Safari. Private mode is useful because it disables most saved browser data and can help you figure out if the problem is caused by an extension, a bad cookie, or a browser setting. If Claude works fine in private mode, that usually means the issue is local to your normal browser session. In that case, try disabling extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. Another very common cause is VPN or proxy interference. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off temporarily and reload Claude. The same goes for proxy servers or network routing tools. These can sometimes block or slow the connection requests Claude needs to communicate with Anthropic's servers. Once the VPN is disabled, restart the page and try again. If you're on a work or school network, the same issue may be happening at the network level, so testing on a mobile hotspot can help confirm that. If the problem only happens in one chat, but Claude itself is loading, then the issue may be tied to the current conversation. In that case, start a new chat and see if it works normally. Sometimes an ongoing thread gets laggy, stuck, or throws an error because of a temporary session issue or a very long conversation history. You can also refresh the tab before starting a new chat, which often clears minor loading glitches without affecting your account. At this point, if Claude is still showing an error, try combining the fixes. Check the status page again, clear site data, use private mode, disable the VPN, and start a brand new chat. That sequence solves most Claude down or Claude error problems very quickly. If you want more simple troubleshooting tutorials like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That helps me keep making fast, practical fixes for apps, websites, and AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Claude working again.